So now in this profile section, we also have create superimposed profile and we also have create profile from corridor. So we will see these two topics. So for this, we must have one corridor in this surface. So I'm just going to create one corridor. So for that, I'm just going for arc. So just like this, I'm just going to create one road. This is like a alignment we are going to consider for our road or corridor. So I'm just going to take alignment from objects. So put enter, and if you want to change the direction, we can change. So I'm just going to reverse it. So once you click everything, and then it will be updated. For example, I'm just going for major and minor only labels and click OK. So we can able to see it is like a reversed from 0 starts from this point. So for this alignment, I'm just going to create one corridor based on our assembly. So we have tool palette here. So you can click it, otherwise shortcut Control 3 or TP, enter. So I'm just going for this assembly, and you can just click here. So our assembly got created. This is like a basic set of assembly we have in this Civil 3D itself. Otherwise, we can create our own assembly. So I'm just going for corridor, and before corridor, we must have profiles. So I'm just going for profile, create surface profile, and here we can just add a surface and we can select the alignment. So draw in profile view. So create profile view, and we can just go for clicking the origin. So like this, we have the surface profile. For this, we can just go for design profile. So select it. Now I'm just going for profile creation tools and design profile. Click OK. And now here we can just go for using all these things. So today I'm just going to take draw tangents with curves. So just clicking like this. So 3 points. And once you put enter, we will be available with our design profile. So the blue color one. So and after that also, based on the grips, we can able to modify. For example, here we have this grip. So we can able to modify the design profile as well. See, now we have this one. So we can just go for building our corridor. So just select the assembly and then cross verify whether the alignment and the layout is correct or not. So assembly and then target surface. I'm just going to select the surface. So click OK, and we can just go for OK. It will ask you to rebuild the corridor. So once you completed, like we will be available with our corridor. Now this is our corridor looks like. Now we have an option here like create profile from corridor. So select that option, and it is asking you to select a corridor feature line. So when you are selecting that, you are available with the lots of feature lines. So for this, I'm just going to take Chrome Pave 1 first, and then we can go for Pave 2. So click OK, and then it will be like a profile style we can able to select. So I'm just going for left sample profile, and if you want label, you can just go for, and then you can rename as well. Click OK. So that profile will be created in your drawing. See, in this profile, we also have left sample profile. Like this, we can able to create profile from a corridor. Again, for right, I'm just going to do. So just to select it, and then I'm just going for Pave 2. So click OK, and now we can just go for profile style as right sample profile, and then no label. We can rename if we want. Click OK. See, now available with the left and also right sample profile. So totally we have 4 profile in one profile view. See, this is like a surface profile. This blue color is like a design profile, and this color for left sample profile, and this for right sample profile. But this is like a static method. Once you like change the design profile, for example, we have this blue color profile, right? So once you change, so the other profile is not updating. So it seems to be that it is like a static method. So another way we can just go for dynamic method using create superimposed profile. So before going for create superimposed profile, like I'm just going to create some surface for the corridor. So select the corridor and then you just go for corridor surfaces. And here you just click this icon, create a corridor surface. And after you can just specify some code and we can make that code as a break line, add as a break line. So select it and even we can just go for setting our boundaries, right click and then corridor extends as outer boundary, or we can just go for add automatically these values. So for these two if you want, and I'm just going for corridor extends as outer boundary and then click OK. So rebuild the corridor. See, now we got a corridor surface as well. So you select and then you can just go for drive option and we can just go for selecting the feature line. So crown you can take, click OK. See, now we got this one. Okay, now we can just go for playing our corridor. So here you can just change to realistic, shaded, something like that. Then you will be available with the even more good views. So how we are going to drive in this road, we can able to see through this option. For each and every station, we can able to see the details here. So I'm just going to close this one. Now after we can just like go for surfaces here and then corridor, and then we can just go for right click and then surface property. We can just go for no display as of now. So we are going to use this surface for our profile. That's why we have created corridor profile. Now we can just go for creating offsets. Now we are going to create a alignment from our corridor. We have option like create alignment from corridor and we can just select whatever we want. So now I'm just want crown pave 1. So click OK and we can just go for labels, no label, and then click OK. So now we have created one alignment. So this is like alignment from feature line, right? So but we need offset alignments. So now we can just go for create offset alignment and then we can just go for putting the values over here. So now we got offset alignment. Now based on the offset alignment, we can just go for creating surface profile. So select the alignment and then we can just go for surface profile. And then we must select the corridor surface. So that's why we have created. So click draw in profile view. So you can just put somewhere here. And again, you select the second one. And then surface profile. And add the corridor surface, draw in profile view. Create profile view. See, now we have alignment from feature line right and also alignment from feature line left. So we have these three profiles now. Now if you want to superimpose one on top of other, we can. Now you just select superimposed profile and it is asking for source profile. For example, you select the source profile and then select destination profile. So I'm just going to select the destination profile view. Select this and then don't change anything as it is. You click OK. Now you will be available with that profile also here. See, this is what that superimposed into this. So totally we have like many profile in one profile view. So like this, we can able to make use of this option. create profile from corridor. First we have seen. Second we have seen create superimposed profile as well.